Set along the serene waters of the Aegean Sea, the outdoor house is more than just a guest home. It's a living experience immersed in nature. Designed by Sigurd Larsen and located on the island of Kea-Kythnos, Greece, this small yet striking retreat serves as an extension of the nearby Piperi house. At the heart of this design lies a commitment to simplicity, openness, and a deep connection with the landscape. The defining feature of the house is a large pergola that opens to the sky. This structure filters the harsh summer sun while allowing fresh breezes to flow freely. The design reduces heat buildup in the stone floors and walls, creating a naturally cool and comfortable atmosphere, even during the hottest days. A passive and sustainable approach suited to the Mediterranean climate. Outdoor living is the core of the home's concept. An open-air kitchen and dining area invite guests to cook and eat under the sky, while an outdoor shower enhances the connection with nature. Stone plinths serve as seating for dining or quiet contemplation, blending seamlessly into the rocky terrain. A movable dining table allows users to shift with the sun and breeze, making each moment adaptable to nature's rhythm. This project is an architectural experiment in living with less. Larsen strips away the unnecessary and invites us to live with intention. Without flashy features or excess, the outdoor house delivers something far more valuable: a chance to disconnect, slow down, and reconnect with the natural world. When night falls or the weather turns, a compact stone room offers refuge. This is the only heated and enclosed space in the house, equipped with a bed, workspace, and toilet. It provides the bare essentials for comfort without breaking the spirit of outdoor living. Perched on a hillside terrace, the house integrates with the island's rugged topography. A garden-like entryway opens to a framed view of Piperi Island in the distance. Two parallel stone walls define an infinity terrace that blurs the edge between land and sea. As one walks forward, the horizon expands and the minimalist presence of the outdoor house comes into view, anchored by its stone plinths, immersed in its surroundings. In every way, this home redefines the idea of dwelling. It reminds us that a house is not only shelter, but also a place of presence, where we return to simplicity and find quiet moments of harmony with the land.